Well, a Waukesha County judge says the person responsible for stabbing a classmate 19 times more than a decade ago can leave a state psychiatric hospital early.
Waukesha County reporter Brett Lemoyne spoke with a legal analyst who explains the next hurdle in the Slender Man case.
Are you surprised?
I'm not.
Defense attorney Jonathan Lavoie does not represent Morgan Geyser, but he's followed the Slender Man case for the last decade.
She's reached her treatment goals at the hospital, and it's time for her to transition to the community.
So what happens next?
So right now, we have a hearing in about 60 days from now, where they will present a conditional release plan to the judge. So the social workers and the mental health professionals are going to put together a detailed kind of list of expectations and placement.
Lavoie says that plan will also include input from prosecutors. Placement into a group home, though, could be challenging. Lavoie says Geyser will have to stay in Wisconsin. He says there aren't many group homes in the state, and most are gender specific. According to testimony Thursday, Geyser now identifies as a transgender man.
The hospital really is meant to be a temporary place. It's not meant to hold somebody forever. Once you're found not guilty by mental disease or defect, the goal is actually to try to rehabilitate the person to make them safe to return to the community.
Lavoie says Geyser's conditional release plan will include monitoring, and Geyser will likely be assigned a team of social workers to keep track of progress. Eventually, Lavoie says Geyser could ask the judge to go home.
A person in her shoes can petition for an early termination of a conditional release after a period of time. What I think everyone hopes is that she will, in fact, rehabilitate herself and that she will have a positive and pro-social life going forward.
In Waukesha, Brett Lemoyne, FOX 6 News.
Geyser will be back in court on March 3rd for a review hearing. The victim's family was against the conditional release.